La Palma also saw an increase in seismic activity over the weekend. This seismic activity has increased notably in frequency and magnitude, according to a PVolca report released on Sunday, which added that some quakes had been recorded at depths greater than 20 kilometers. The new flows are already having an impact on La Palma, which is part of the Canaries archipelago off the coast of northwestern Africa. According to the latest data from the European observation system Copernicus, the lava has destroyed 2,146 buildings and covered 901.2 hectares. In other words, nearly 9 hectares were razed in the space of 9 hours. This period of time coincides with the opening of the fifth volcanic vent and the appearance of the new lava flow. A fifth vent opened up on Sunday on the new volcano on La Palma, in Spain's Canary Islands. According to volcanologist Rubian Lopez, from the National Geographic Institute, IGN, the volcano, which has been erupting since September 19, now has 3 vents inside the main cone and 2 more on its western side. Due to the opening of the new vent, the amount of magma reaching the surface increased, leading the lava to overflow Sunday afternoon. The volcanic cone on Saturday also began to emit lava. Before then it had only been spewing out pyroclastic material. Miguel Ángel Morcuende, the technical director of the Canaries Volcano Risk Prevention Plan, PVolca, which is managing the crisis, explained that this is an important fact because in the end there is a redistribution of magma to other points. More lava being released, new flows of molten rock have emerged. One of these is moving towards the neighborhood of Las Manchas, which was one of the first areas to be evacuated when the eruption began. This new flow is moving towards the southeast, although the lava feeding it is also being channeled to existing flows. For now, the tongue of lava is not posing any immediate threat. Although it is moving towards the neighborhood of Corazoncio in the town of Los Llanos de Aradane, where the first flows passed through, it is likely to join the flow closest to it, which would be good news. Most of the lava flowing out on Sunday was being channeled down the first flow of molten rock that emerged from the volcano in Cumbre Vieja, a natural park in southern La Palma. This stream reached the Atlantic Ocean on September 28 and has since created a lava platform. But the lava flow of most concern continues to be the one that entered the town center of La Laguna neighborhood in Los Llanos de Aradane. This flow has razed dozens of homes and almost completely destroyed the local school. Only one building in the courtyard remains standing. We continue to hope that it will advance towards the south, because that would prevent problems with respect to homes. Morcuende also confirmed on Saturday that part of the main volcanic cone had collapsed, which was causing lava to overflow on the northeastern side of the volcano. On Monday morning, IGN seismologist Idahiza Dominguez warned that the eastern part of the secondary cone may have also partially collapsed. Here we see how the pyroclastic materials from the eruption fall onto the slope of the cone. In this way, the volcano is gaining height. As it is loose material, the buildup increases, the likelihood of partial collapses also increases, Dominguez wrote in a message on Twitter. Between midnight and 7 a.m. on Monday, more than 80 quakes hit La Palma, although none measured more than 3.5 on the Richter scale, according to the IGN. The previous night, more than 200 tremors were registered by the IGN, one of which measured 4.3 on the Richter scale.